May I come in, madam? If you want to enter when the class is in session, seek due permission. If you want to come in the class when the teacher is in the class, you say, may I come in, ma'am? May I go out, madam? If you want to leave the classroom, you must seek due permission. If you want to go washroom, say, ma'am, may I go to washroom? Remember, any request to the teacher should be made in polite terms beginning with may I. Hello friend, please come in the park every day and enjoy the nature. Please do exercise every day, it is better for your health. Hello guys, today we learned good habit and good manners part 4. Let's start. May I come in, madam? If you want to enter when the class is in session, seek due permission. If you want to come in the class when the teacher is in the class, you say, may I come in, ma'am? May I go out, madam? If you want to leave the classroom, you must seek due permission. If you want to go washroom, say, ma'am, may I go to washroom? What do you say when you are late for the class? You say, sorry, ma'am, and give the reason why are you late for the class. Whose birthday do you celebrate as Teacher's Day? Whose birthday do you celebrate as Teacher's Day? Dr. Savvalli Radhakrishnan. Let's more about Dr. Savvalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Savvalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian professor, the philosopher. He has worked as a professor of more than 40 years. He was the first Vice President of India, and Dr. Savvalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian professor, the philosopher. He has worked as a professor for more than 40 years. He was the first Vice President of India and second President of India. He had worked as Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and worked as President of India from 1962 to 1967. Since 1962, his birthday is celebrated as Teacher's Day in India. Remember, any request to the teacher should be made in polite terms beginning with may I. School bus. Stand in a queue for your bus. Good morning, madam. When your teacher enters classroom, greet him properly with due respect. Have you formed the habit to stand in a queue? Yes, I have formed the habit to stand in a queue. Yes, I have the habit to stand in a queue. Do you greet your teacher? How do you greet your teacher when you meet her in the market at evening? I greet my teacher properly properly in the market when I meet him or evening. When I meet my teacher at evening in the market, I say, Assalamualaikum ma'am. Good evening ma'am. How are you ma'am? Remember, don't push or jostle with others while getting into your bus or classroom. Namaste sir. Stand up and greet the elder politely. When my grandfather come in room and I give him chair to sit and give him water to drink. When my grandfather come in room, I leave the chair and give him the chair and give him water to drink and say Assalamu alaikum. May I borrow your pen, please? Borrow. Thanks very politely. When I need something, I ask my friend, maybe I can borrow a pen, pencil, eraser or sharpener or books, etc. Should you keep sitting while greeting elders? We should not greeting our elders while sitting. We should stand. It is respect to the elders. Do you say please while taking to your friends? We should say please while taking our friend thing. Sorry friend, if you have offended someone or make a mistake, apologize saying sorry. जब कभी भी हम कोई गलती करते हैं किसी के साथ तो हमें सॉरी बोलना पड़ता है. अगर हम कहीं पे किसी के साथ गलती करते हैं तो हमें सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. Excuse me, please, may I join you? Say excuse me when you disturb someone. When I disturb someone or taking someone's thing, I say excuse me. Bye Kiki. Bye, see you tomorrow Rinku. Say goodbye or just bye when you are take leave of someone. If we leave the school, so we should say the teacher bye or goodbye. I will see you tomorrow, ma'am, in the class. When do you say sorry? We should say sorry when we make a mistake. What do you say while taking leave of someone? We should say goodbye or just bye. Remember, bye is the short form of goodbye. The young people like to use short form to feel modern. So say goodbye in the case of elder. Namaste uncle, auntie. Greet people with a sweet smile. Hi Shipla, hello Appu. Greet properly whenever you meet others. Saying namaste to elders is proper. How you greet your friend? We should greet our friend saying hi or hello. How do you greet your uncle? You should greet your uncle namaste or assalamu alaikum. Remember, a smile is worth 100 words. 100 words. 100 words. Thank you, Rinku, for leading me, your friend. Thanks, Rinku, for leading me, your pen. Thanks, ones who help you in any way. It feels good. Show grace when someone thanks you by saying you are welcome. We should say if someone say you thanks, you should say you are welcome. Excuse me. Say excuse me or sorry whenever you hiccup, sneeze or cough. We should say excuse me or sorry when we are in the class and suddenly start sneezing, we should say sorry or excuse me. What would you say if someone thanks you for helping him her? We should say welcome. You are welcome. What would you say if you suddenly start sneezing? If we suddenly start sneezing, we should say excuse me or sorry. Remember, saying thanks is the best way of paying a moral debt. Share things with others. Sharing things with others, be neat and tidy. Remember, sharing things with others is a great source of joy. Neatness makes you a lovable kid. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Ayan Educational Activities. Bye. Allah Hafiz.